Do you want to be financially free? Well, I wouldn't expect you to say no, but sometimes our habits can get in the way of that freedom. I'm Nathan with Askesis Mindset. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel because we have a ton of free resources that will help you on your journey to financial freedom. In the video description below, you'll find a link to our discipline and habit tracker. I'm going to go through that tutorial with you right now. Let's get started. Welcome to the Discipline and Habit Tracker. Thank you again for taking the time to invest in your personal well-being and ultimately your financial future. This sheet, I personally like it because it is a very easy to use accountability tool. They are yes or no questions. Did you do it or not? That you can track for a week and see how you are progressing and either adjust and make changes or confirm and do more of what's working for you. Once you get this sheet opened, and again, this file is located in the video description below, just click File, make a copy. Once you have a copy, you can edit. So we're going to go down here to the Discipline and Habit Tracker tab. There are 7 habits here that all relate to your discipline and 3 that you can choose for yourself. So I'll quickly go through our 7. The first one is a wake up on time. When should you wake up? And I understand some of you have different schedules and you might have different times of each day. Ideally, we want to set this as the same time each day, but if that's not permitted with your schedule, you can adjust it as you see fit. What I would like you to do is wake up 30 minutes before you normally would wake up. And those 30 minutes are simply dedicated to something healthy and intentional focused on your physical or mental well being. Completely up to you to decide. Second one is no impulse spending. You don't need to spend any money unless it's absolutely necessary. Movement or workout. So the goal here is 15 minutes a day at least. You can go for a 15-minute walk. You can work out. Low screen time. Most screen time is unhealthy or unproductive. So we're going to try to limit that as much as possible. Daily discomfort or growth. If you're not uncomfortable, you're probably not growing. So what did you do to that day to be uncomfortable? Did you create or produce something? Again, we consume all day media, advertisements, products, food, consuming. Produce at least one thing. And finally, mental, physical, or digital clutter. All problematic. I'm sure that you can think of a few things that come to mind that you probably should do, either clean, get rid of, organize, that would lead to less stress and anxiety in your life. And finally, you have 3 choices to come up with your own discipline and habits. So, what is something that would be meaningful to your life that you could do and you would like to track? Finally, once you're all complete, you had 70 chances that week to do the right thing. How many times did you pick the harder way instead of the easy way? And you're going to put that out of 70. You have a little math calculation there to get your percent. What was your biggest win that week? You're going to type that into that box right here. Why write it down? Well, what is working for you? Because whatever you did to have success, we want to do more of that. Did I avoid my comfort traps? So, did you go through the week and say no to all of those things that you reach for when life just isn't going your way? It could be food, entertainment, shopping, um, binge watching TV, alcohol. It doesn't matter what it is. Did you avoid those comfort traps? And if not, what is your plan moving forward? And finally, which habit would you improve next week? So I would pick the one that either caused you the most stress or you had the least amount of progress with. And this is just a simple tool to keep yourself accountable, it's a yes or a no. There's no, oh, I almost did it or I halfway did it. It's a yes or a no. Either you check the box or you don't. Please follow the Askesis Mindset channel. There's many more resources just like this one to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Ultimately, we're going to do that through the Askesis Mindset, which is going to train you to have discipline, live a very intentional life, and most of all, embrace and be happy with what you have. We don't need more stuff. We don't need more clutter. We need to get rid of that and embrace the life that we want to live intentionally. Subscribe to our channel. Our website has a ton more free resources if you are interested. And make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.